I'm gonna put my necklace. I'm putting my necklace.
Today we're going to bring a push cart, and this is a fire engine. It comes with the stickers. Every accessory is needed here. The actual poles to set them up, the tires. They have a compartment in the back. Before you start building it, my suggestion is put the stickers first. It makes it easier. Instructions on how to put the whole thing together are also included. No tools necessary, only for the actual horn part. And this does require batteries, all right? So it does require 2 AA batteries, and you are going to need a Phillips to unscrew the actual handle, and I'm going to show you the finished product. All right, let's take a look at the noises. So you turn it on. It does take 2 AA batteries.